Welcome back to my channel. So this is the third video of React 19 series. In today's video we are going to dive into the folder and file structure of a React project created with a Vite and TypeScript. So if you are new to Vite or just curious how about the project is organized, then please see this video. So this will make your development journey smoother and more efficient. So in the first step, so we can look on the screen and we can understand the structure. So if you look my screen, there is a folder called node modules, and I can show you in project directory as well, like this one. So the first folder here is node modules, and this folder contain all the packages and dependencies required for your project to run. So you don't need to touch this file for this folder directly, but just know that it's where all the packages live after running npm install. Second folder is this one, public. So this is where you place static assets that don't need to be processed by Vite, like images, fonts, or any other static file. You can directly access any file inside this folder using the root path, like if you want to use this white.svg. Then we have this source or src folder, and this is the most important folder in react application. So this is where you actually uh, write your react code, and it looks like this thing: assets, app.css, app.tsx, index.css, and main.tsx. So all these files are here. So folder will contain like images, and we can create a folder called components here. Then we have app.css styling for the app.tsx. It will be like a root component or of our application, and this main.tsx file is this is entry point of the application. So this app.tsx is, we can also say that this file contains our root component and it is the heart of the application. This main.tsx, this is the entry point where our React app is mounted to the DOM. Index.css, global styles for your entry app, and asset folder. We can use this to store images or static files that our component might need. And component file folder we will create when we will learn how can we create components in react. Now let's look on this index.html file. This index.html file is the template for our application. This is where our react app gets mounted, and it has this structure like html, uh, HTML head. This is a basic, it contains a basic structure of any HTML file. If you are looking line number 10, div id is equal to root. This div is where React components get injected. And now look on this package.json file. This package.json file lists all our project dependencies and script. So for example, line number 6, where we can see scripts. These scripts help us to start the dev server, build our project for production, and preview forward. And we have like one file, tsconfig.json. This is a TypeScript configuration. This one. So this file contains configuration options for TypeScript. It helps the compiler understand how to handle our TypeScript code. For example, it will tell TypeScript to use modern syntax and enforce strict typing. So next is vite.config.ts file. This is the file where we can configure Vite plugins and other build setting. By default, this is the basic structure of this file, and we can add plugins or customize setting as needed in line number 6. So we have this readme.md file, so which contain instructions and a brief description only. So it has nothing to uh, i- it has nothing with the React actually, with the application. We can update this file manually as well. And we have to, if we have to run the application, then we have to use the command npm run dev. So line number 7, dev is mentioned here. So npm run dev. So guys, that's it for this video, and I hope this breakdown of the byte, React and TypeScript folder structure was helpful. And if you like my video, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome tutorials. And drop a comment if you have any question or want me to cover something specifically next time. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. So thank you.